I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
Gather everything first so making a caramel latte flows like a barista routine. Use 2 shots of espresso or 6 Oz strong brewed coffee. Measure 8 ounces whole milk and 2 tablespoons caramel sauce. Have a milk frother, tamper, steam wand, or handheld frother ready. Also prepare a 12-ounce cup, a spoon, and a thermometer if you want precision. If you prefer lower fat, substitute 8 ounces 2% milk, but whole milk gives a richer texture and sweeter mouthfeel for the caramel. Start by pulling espresso so timing stays tight. Pull 2 shots of espresso into a 12-ounce cup. Add 2 tablespoons caramel sauce to the cup before pouring milk so it dissolves evenly. Steam 8 ounces whole milk to 150 degrees F for sweet, creamy foam, aiming for velvety microfoam rather than big bubbles. If using a home frother, heat milk to about 150 degrees F on the stove, then froth vigorously for 15 to 20 seconds. Wipe the steam wand, hold back the foam with a spoon, and pour steamed milk into the espresso slowly to combine without splashing. Pour steamed milk over espresso while holding back foam. Stir in 1 pump or 1 tablespoon caramel syrup and 2 tablespoons sauce to deepen the caramel flavor, tasting for sweetness. Spoon the reserved foam on top, then top with 1 to 2 tablespoons caramel drizzle and optional whipped cream for a classic finish. Serve immediately in a 12-ounce cup and enjoy warm for best texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.